G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's lunchtime and I thought I'd whip up a nice hamburger for lunch. Today I'm going to make one using some of my favourite ingredients. Let me show you what I'm using. Well, most of this is stuff that you should have. That's prosciutto, by the way. Now for the burger patty, I'm using some minced meat, some Worcestershire sauce, and some hot English mustard. Oh, I love that stuff. It can be pretty hot. It'd burn or ring off satin, I reckon. And I got some Japanese mayo, and I thought I'd use some tomato ketchup today. Someone asked me once, what's the difference between tomato sauce and tomato ketchup? Well, it's the spelling on the front. Anyway, let's start cooking. Alright, well first, I'm going to start off with this beef patty here. Just got a bit of mince. This is enough for one burger because, well, there's only one of me today. But I'll add a bit of Worcestershire to there. Don't want to add too much. Some salt. Well, you can add as much as you want. And that's just run out. Ah, great! And some pepper. Oh yeah, yum. And of course, my favourite mustard, the hot English. Oh, mate. Dijon would be good for this, but I'll only use like a tiny bit here because this stuff, woo-wee, it's a whole lot of fun, I tell you. And I just love its flavour. But we'll mix that all together. And the beauty is, mate, you don't have to like really blend it through crazily. You just give it a small blend like that. Maybe put a little bit of hot English there as a surprise later. And, well, I've got this beautiful, freshly homemade bread roll, which I'm going to toast, so we better put some butter on. Oh yeah, that'll make it taste even better. You know it. Better get this frying pan warming up. I might add some olive oil in because, well, you know, it stops things from sticking sometimes. And that should be heated up. Well, I hope it is. I'm just going to grab the meat, squish it into a ball, chuck that in. Now the bread I'm using today is quite big, so I want it hanging out the side, so I'll squish this down into a good football shape, or bigger. And I'll add some extra salt, and I'll add some extra black pepper because I like my meat peppery too. Oh, yum. Oh. I think the smoke alarm might go off soon. Oh, now I totally forgot. I need to heat these buns up. I'll whack those in. And I got this prosciutto. Now the beauty about prosciutto is it's already sort of, well, it's cured meat. It's sort of pre-cooked already. So you can like cook it a little bit if you want, or you can just use it raw. It really doesn't take long to cook at all. So I'll move it on top of the meat there. And I'll add the cheese, start that melting. And I think these buns will be cooked, so I better take those off. Alright, well we should probably start throwing this burger together, so I'm going to start off with the bottom bun. I like to put some mayo on then, just add a little bit more moisture. I can chuck on the meat. Oh yes, fits perfectly. Then some onions. I love the taste of raw onions on a burger. I don't know, there's just something about it that I really, really like. I've got some pickles next, because I mean, who doesn't love a pickle? I know, I've got myself into plenty of them. Now I might chuck the tomato sauce on next because, well, why not? It matches well with the tomatoes that I'm going to add on. Oh yeah. Now here's the top bun. I'm going to put some more mayo on there because, well, mayonnaise, mate. Put some lettuce on that. And the mayo should help the lettuce stick and not fall off when I put on the top bun. There you have it. My lunch today, a delicious hamburger. And I'm fanging for it. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. That meat is really good. The bread is super crispy, all the veggies on there make it healthy and tasty, and that tomato sauce, well, it's ketchup, isn't it? Well, you could add some barbecue sauce or something if you wanted to, but I just felt like tomato sauce today, and I'll tell you what, this burger is absolutely delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me make my lunch today as much as I'm enjoying eating it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.